Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys something that I have partially released basically today, and the rest of the stuff will be released next week. So DiMAAC, as you might know, is my own component library which you can use with React or Next.js. You can copy paste components and start using it. You can also use the CLI, so you can basically get the components in your repo and then start using it. So I already have added quite a few components which are completely free to use, but today I have released this template section wherein I have released 5 free templates, and let's just look at these. So when I open this template, so you'll see we have 5 different templates, and then if you scroll down, we have this pro section which is coming soon. So this is what we're going to be releasing next week. So this is going to be the pro section wherein we have a bit more of, more aesthetic, more animating, fancy kind of websites, templates for portfolios, for SaaS products, and everything else that you can think of. So I will be releasing every month or so, or whenever I have enough time. So I'll be doing, kind of like a mass release, or we'll keep it updated, so you don't really have to worry about that. But yeah, this pro section will be releasing next week or so. So I'll be making a video when I release that. But for now, we have 5 of the free templates that you can start using today. So these are 5 portfolio websites that I have made for basically almost anybody. Could be, even if you're a non-developer, you can still use it. So these could be used by designers as well as the backend devs, the front end engineers, and then the design engineers as well, or anybody else who is looking for a elegant portfolio that meets the industry standards. Now, the first one is a very minimal, not so, complicated, too animating, too complex stuff. So it's a very standard, simple site, which is very clean and is what is generally seen to be liked by many. So this is a very standard portfolio that you could use. So when you click on it, you get to the detail page wherein we have a live preview here. So you can scroll down, you can see. So this is the entire template. It's very clean and minimal with very, subtle hovering effects. You have the project section, experiences, the notes, the external links to your email, GitHub, CV, and all that stuff, as well as very minimal footer. And you can also open this up in a full screen view, but it's fine if you don't want to. And then when you scroll down, you'll get the zip, so you can download the zip. When you click on this download zip button, it'll start instantly downloading the zip, and you'll have the portfolio which you can modify and then use as per your needs. So this is the first portfolio. The second one is a bit more more colorful. So this has this gradient kind of blob, the background. It's very subtle, very clean, and we have this cool, cute kind of colors that make this site very vibrant. So this can be used by design engineers as well as anybody who likes this. So it's a very simple portfolio site, similar to what we had before, but this is more colorful. So we have the work section as well as the experience, the external links, as well as this now playing section. Now recently I've been seeing a lot of developers adding their Spotify stuff, so they add what they have been listening to recently and whatnot. So you can add this component, you can integrate your Spotify onto it, and then you can showcase what your recent playlist has been, or what you have been listening to recently. So yeah, this is the second one. It's very colorful, and to be honest, if you ask me, I would say very, out of all the 5, I would say this is one of the ones that I really liked the most. So this is the one I would personally prefer if I would want to build my own simple kind of basically like a portfolio. So this is the second one. Then we have one on the dark theme. So this is for ones who like a bit more darker themed one. They have the work here. So it has this cool, this colorful neon kind of effect when you hover over each of the individual projects, experience section, as well as links, the now playing, as well as this cool color gradient text effect. So this is the third one, which you can also use. And then we have the fourth one, which is for the backend devs. So this has a bit of the terminal kind of vibe. So we have this typing effect, and we kind of mimic the basically the terminal. So this is for the backend devs. So you have your introduction and all that stuff, and then you have the projects, your career, your skills and all that stuff, as well as this cool footer. So this is for the backend devs. Again, when you scroll down, you have the zip, so you can download and you can use. So yeah, this is the fourth one. And then lastly, we have this Maravans, which is the fifth and the last one. Let's open this up in a full screen. This is a bit more fancy. It has shaders and WebGL stuff. So it has this full screen kind of preloader that, once done, basically reveals the actual content. And then we have a shader background getting played. We have a cursor effect. And then once you start scrolling, you get all the different, basically the projects that you have worked on. You have the about section with scroll based text reveal kind of effect, with the text having more like opacity as it is in the triggering zone or the view area. And then you have the odometer kind of effect for the years of practice projects and all that stuff. And then what you have been doing, you have this section, your basically skill set. And then you have this cool magnetic section for the footer, which when you click will open up the mailbox, so you can directly mail it. So this is the fifth and the last template which you can use for your own projects and portfolio. So these are the 5 templates that I have released today for DiMAAC. So these are free to use. You can go and use it however you want. Next week or so, I'm gonna be releasing the pro section as well, which will include some of the cool stuff, and hopefully you guys will be supporting that as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. Do share your thoughts in the comments, and again, like, not everything is perfect. A lot of the stuff could be here and there, so you can, if you find any bugs or any issues, just comment down. I'll make sure to fix stuff. And yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you liked the components. Hope these help you. Also, do share your feedbacks in the comments of this video. And if you're new to the channel, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on, because I bring in cool stuff like this every week. So yeah, with that, I'll be taking leave, and that's it for this video. Meet you guys in the next. Till then, bye bye, take care, and peace.